Then we will work on checkbox, option buttons and combo box. How to use these controls for setting the text font styles, font size and back color for color. Just add a new form, add form. See here we will take a text box. In this program we will create a simple WordPad program with the features how to increase font size, bold, italic, underline, left, center, right and how to set the colors. For bold, italic, underline we will use a checkbox. Move to properties. Just change the width to suppose 500 or 800 suppose. Change the caption to bold, italic and underline. See, B I underline. Fine. For font size and font name we will take combo box. Now we will see the code for bold, italic and underline. Just double click. By default check one click event is there, keep as it is. Here we have to check the status of checkbox whether it is checked or unchecked. So in previous example we have seen the property value property. If check1.value equals to 1, then 1 means it is checked. The effect we have to apply for a text 1 is font bold. See here we can use these properties at runtime also. Bold, italic, name, size, strike through, underline, for color. Now we will use font bold equals to true. If value is 0 means other than 1, we will just take a else part. Text1 dot font bold equals to false, means the boldness will be removed. To come on object window you can use a shortcut also, shift F7. Double click on italic, that is check 2. Once again check 2 dot value equals to 1. Then text1 dot font italic equal to true, else text1 dot font italic equal to false. This code is for italic. The next underline, check 3 dot value equals to 1. See here font underline equal to true. Fine, we have completed the code for all the 3 checkboxes, check 1, check 2 and check 3. This combo box is used to increase or decrease the size of a text. To add the list of values, we have used the list property, but font size is from 8 to 72. So instead of feeding each and every value, we can just use the for loop here to add the number of values. As we have seen how to add a value through coding dot add atom method we have used in last example. Same concept we will use here, but using for loop. Just double click, see combo 1 change. So first select the event got focus. Sorry, for a equals to, just start from 2 to suppose 72. Combo 1 dot add atom, the value of a variable. The closing for is next. Got focus we have used to add the list of values. Now to set the font size to a text one, just double click once again on combo 1 and select an event, click event here. Fine. Now we require a text one size, so just have a property font size equals to the size is available under combo 1. Same concept for font name also. So just move to properties, add some font names to list through coding or through list value. Suppose Arial, Arial Black, control enter to add a new value. So 4 font names we have added here. Just check the spelling, it should be matched with the word combo box spellings. We will just have a preview of these buttons. Go to project menu, properties, set the startup object, format. See here, we will have some text here, suppose HIT computer. Now to make it bold, click on B. Fine, it is working. See, bold and unbold, checked, unchecked. You require all the 3 choice, italic, underline, fine. See here, the values has been added with a difference of 1 using the for loop. So if you click on 42, your size is increasing. Here font name, we have not written a code for this button, just close it. To change the font name, the code is, just double click on this, take a event, click event. The code will be text1 dot font name equal to the font list is available inside combo 2. Fine, once again we will have a preview. See here, Arial Black, Arial 3 times New Roman, Bookman old style. So how simple it is inside VB to create a WordPad. For alignments, we will take 3 command buttons, left, center and right. Select all the 3 buttons, move to properties, just decrease the width, suppose 500, fine. Change the caption, left, center and right. To write a code, double click on command button. This command button is for left alignment. So text1 dot alignment equal to 0. Why we are using a 0 value here? Just move to object window. Go into the property of text box and just see on alignment property. See here, for left a 0 number is initialized, for right 1 and for center 2. So these numbers we are using inside the code. See, for center text1 dot alignment equal to 2. For right text1 dot alignment equal to 1. Fine, we have completed the code for alignment buttons. Just run the form. See, it is working or not. Center fine, right and left. Font styles, size, underline, italic and bold. How to apply the back color and fore color? See, we'll just take 3 to 4 buttons. Suppose 3 buttons. Select all the 3 buttons. Set the width, for example 500, and height 350. For colors, we will just remove the caption. For applying the back color to these buttons, first change the style property to graphical. Then one by one, which color you want, just set it from back color. Move to palette. Click on red. Suppose green. And pink. Fine, we have taken these 3 buttons. Select all the 3 buttons, cut from here and place inside frame. See here, just click on paste. Change the caption of frame. Suppose this frame is used for back color. Fine. If you have worked on MS Word, you will find that to open a color box, we have to press on an arrow mark, then a box is open. Then when you select a color, the color has been applied to that text box and box is closed. So same concept we will create here. Just remove the command button. We will add a picture to this button. First set the style property to graphical. Then move to picture property. Fine. Visual Studio, common, graphics, suppose cursors. Just have one of the drop down cursor from here. Okay, fine. When you press this button, this box, color box, should be opened. By default, it is visible true now. So just click on frame and change the visible property to false. As we run the form, the frame should not display. So we have just convert it to false. Fine, we have just designed the form. To write a code, double click. Now we require a back color. For text box, text1 dot, use a back color equal to and assign a color name with the keyword VB and a color name red. Basically, 4 colors can apply with the keyword VB, that is VB red, green, blue and CYAN. But apart from these colors, you have to mention the code. See, for green also you can use this back color equal to VB green. Fine. But for pink, you can't assign VB pink. For that purpose, we will just move to pink button properties. See here, the code is there for pink. Just select this code, right click and copy and double click on this button. Now text1 dot back color equal to, just paste here that code. See, paste. So any color can be applied with the help of using this code number. See, if you just move to this color, you will get a different code. So in this way, just select the code, copy and paste after equal sign. Hope you understood the concept of color coding. Fine. But some code we have to add here. See, when color is applied, the frame should be invisible. For that purpose, just write a single line code, frame1 dot visible equals to false, to deactivate the frame after applying the color. Same for this button. After applying the color, just frame1 dot visible equals to false. For pink button also, frame1 dot visible equals to false. Now we will run the form. We have just completed the complete formatting toolbar coding. See here, bold, underline, size, font style, center. You require a color, just click here. Some mistake is there inside a code, we will check it. See, box is not visible to true. Yeah, we have not written a code on that button. As we have as we have set the visible property to false, just double click on this button. See, we have not written a code. So type here frame1 dot visible equals to true. Fine. When you press this command button, a frame should be visible true. Then when you press on this button, color should apply and frame should visible false. We will just check it once again inside the preview. See, center, click here. Fine, it is working now. Select a color. See, back color. Once again, in this way you can just change the colors. We have created our own WordPad package. See how powerful is Visual Basic 6.0. You can create your own animation programs or WordPad programs or any paintbrush program. We will see in later session at the time of mouse events. Here we complete our chapter working with controls. We will meet again with a new topic, new chapter in next video.